So friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. I asked you today in the Telegram group what your altcoin wishes are for this week. And I will definitely be releasing a few videos every day again. So I would say, let's start today again with Polkadot. Why Polkadot? Because we are currently fully in the altcoin season or in a proper pump. Currently we are trading at 8.65, where the journey can go now. We will definitely take a closer look at in today's update video. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and feel free to write your price predictions in the comments. And if you are still looking for an exchange where you can trade Polkadot, stake it, etc., feel free to sign up with the link in the video description at BingX. There are currently good bonuses again, and you support the channel with that. So now let's get into the analysis. As mentioned, Polkadot is currently at $8.65. As you can see, it has been quite steep in the last few days. Let's take a look from November 22nd. So now on Friday, up to the top 63%. Also Kusama, the little brother, we will take a look at that sometime as well. It has also risen extremely high. But with this volatility, the risk of dumps also increases. We have seen this in a very short time. So here, with a 1 hour candle, it went down by 11%. That is the risk. A bit of FOMO comes in. It's the weekend, FOMO is present, and people think it will only go up excessively and in one direction. It's good for the altcoin portfolio, so let's briefly go into the daily time frame and take a closer look at it. It really looks a bit more bullish, to be honest. We had our brief altcoin season in March where Polkadot rose to $11.90. Then we came back into our entry area down here at $4 and have effectively already made 100% again. So it can be that simple, not always looking at the chart daily with spot, just trading a bit of spot makes sense. We have initially broken through the resistance area here. This is also a good sign here in this area, and now this impulsive breakout. Where is the next stop? Let's take a look or pull the Fibonacci level from our high to our low. We can already see, okay, we are currently a bit precarious. It's Sunday evening, as I record this video. We need to check the weekly close again. If we manage to get above the $9 mark, that would definitely be bullish. Otherwise, we could still expect a pullback. I am anyway still counting on a pullback, not just with the altcoins, but also with Bitcoin, of course. Then our next target level, and we also pull the Fibonacci level from our low down here to our high. I will zoom in a bit closer so you can see it better. Here would be the next target zone in my opinion for a correction from the Fibonacci retracement level down to our golden pocket. This means the next target zone where further entries become possible, both spot and possibly trade-wise, lies between 650 and 550. For everyone who has missed the chance to jump in right now, even though there were enough opportunities, there would still be the possibility to take a retracement downwards and then possibly enter, let's say, the final stage of a potential altcoin season. Nothing is lost for those who are not in yet, but please do not let FOMO guide you and go in blindly based on price targets. We already discussed this topic in the Telegram group, so feel free to join. The link is in the video description. I would also like to refer to the last videos. My personal target from our bull market top, if we look at the top here at $54 from the last bull run down to our low of the Fibonacci level, is my preliminary target of $34 to $38 or just under $37. There I will sell a large part just to take the profits, and then we will see how it goes. In my opinion, it will also be crucial. One must always say that altcoins that have already had such an enormous run, and we are not talking about a low cap, we are talking about a $112 billion market cap by now, one must reckon with the fact that, okay, you might not reach this all-time high again, also because the supply has been slightly increased. Should we break that, everything is possible upwards. I completely distance myself from forecasts that we will go to $130 or $120. You can see for yourselves from our low it would be 3,000% or at the peak 3,200%. To be honest, I distance myself from that, find it a bit utopian. I am happy to be proven wrong. For my part, we can go there, but I prefer to take a slightly more pessimistic approach than to be overly optimistic. So we have clarified the next buying zones. Technically, I would still hold back for now. And if there is anything, I will definitely keep you updated in the Telegram group. Otherwise, feel free to leave a like. We'll hear from each other again in the next video, and I would also be interested in your price predictions, so head to the comments with that. We'll hear from each other again in the next video. Until then, bye, and as always, stay crypto.